AccuQuilters. All right, let's show you how to cut the shapes for the Go Koala by Janine Lecour. This is a great die. It has 10 distinct shapes that would be so difficult to cut by hand. So I've already pre-fused my fabric scraps. This is a great project to use your scraps. We can always cut 6 layers of cotton, but once we fuse it, we can only cut 4. So I just need one koala body. Okay, and here's his smile and his little forehead mark. Here's the eyes and the nose. Now this is for the inside of the ear, so you're going to need 2 of these. Now I want to have a left arm and a right arm and a left ear and a right ear. So I'm going to put one of my pre-fused fabrics facing up and the other facing down. You'll need a 6 by 12 cutting mat. Again, this is going to fit through all of our Go cutters, but I am going to use our Go Big today. If you don't already have a Go Big die catcher, make sure you pick one up. It's perfect. All right. Give it a little love, slide our mat. Now look, here is our fun bodies and our legs, and our arms. We're going to pull out all the pieces, the big pieces first. All right, so here's the arm, and we could stick the other one underneath if we wanted to. So you could have 2 arms, and then you want to build his ears. And I think the easiest way to remember this is that he's going to be facing you when you build him. Here's the inside of the ears. Okay, and then here's his little forehead. And his nose. And his eyes. And his cute little smile. All right, and then I'm going to stick my other little arm back here, so he has 2 arms. All right, now don't forget he's directional, so depending which way you want your koalas to face will determine whether or not you have your fabric laying up or laying down. Don't forget, this is an applique shape, so we have free embroidery downloads at AccuQuilt.com. It includes 3 stitches, a blanket stitch, a satin stitch, and a motif stitch. Because at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time so you can quilt and craft more.